You ever had a client ask, is this real or is it just a placebo? And you froze for a second. This video is for you. So today I'll give you a simple science-based way to explain energy work so you can speak confidently, not just with clients, but with doctors and any skeptic. I'm Tina Brigittini, holistic therapist and instructor, and I specialize in blending science with subtle energy work. And in this training, I'll cover the physiology behind what we call energy healing, a simple script that you can use with skeptical clients on how to describe your work in a professional, grounded language. So the nervous system foundation first. Let's strip away the jargon. When we do energy work, we're influencing the autonomic nervous system, the breath, heart rate, muscle tension, brainwave states. And research on relaxation, touch therapies, and meditation shows consistent shifts in decreased heart rate and blood pressure, reduced cortisol, the stress hormone, increased parasympathetic rest and digest activity. So even if someone doesn't believe in energy fields, they can understand I'm using gentle contact, intention, and breath to help your nervous system move out of a state of fight or flight and into regulation. So here's your script for skeptical clients. You don't have to believe in anything mystical for this to work. What I'm doing uses light touch, focused attention, and your breath to help your nervous system relax and restructure. And studies on similar approaches show reduced stress, better sleep, and improved pain levels. So you're always in control, and you can tell me to adjust or stop at any time. See the language there? That keeps it grounded and it respects their worldview. It still honors the depth of the work that you're doing. So let me show you a tiny version on myself and translate it through a scientific lens. So one hand on the heart and one on the abdomen. So right now, I'm placing that one hand over my chest and the other on my abdomen. And energetically, I might say I'm connecting the heart and the gut. Scientifically, I'm bringing awareness to my breath, stimulating sensory receptors through gentle pressure, and signaling to my nervous system as my breath slows and deepens. My vagus nerve is activated, which shifts my body out of fight or flight and into a calmer state. That's the same mechanism at play when you work with your clients. Now, when you talk to other professionals, you can describe your work like this. I use a combination of nervous system informed guided awareness and breath work to help clients regulate from chronic stress and trauma patterns. Clients often report changes in pain and emotional reactivity. So you're not diminishing the spiritual side, you're giving it a translation that other systems can understand. Now, integrating it into your own sessions, you might explain the science briefly at the start of the first session and then check in after. Notice any changes in your body, your breath, or your mind. And then track the results over multiple sessions so that you can say, in the last month, your sleep, anxiety, and pain have all improved alongside this work. And that's how you build credibility and long-term clients. Now, if you want to go deeper into both the science and the actual hands-on protocols, That's exactly what I teach inside my certification school for healers and practitioners. You'll find a link with all the details down in the description. And if you could, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and comment science down below if you'd like me to put together a list of resources as far as books and reference for your own practice. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings, Tina Bridgetine.